Good morning, everybody. We made it to Friday. I'm so excited. Today, I wanted to show you something really useful in measuring your personal vibration. I know most of you have heard about raising your frequency and keeping your vibration high, but have you ever wondered how do you know? Well, I'm going to show you. This little chart here is called a Bovis Scale, Bovis. And it's just a really simple chart with a bunch of numbers starting at 500 and going up to 14,000. And then you see you've got some categories here. Deficient. I did not make this chart. It's misspelled. It's terrible. But anyway, you get the idea. Deficient, low, normal, high, and they had written excess. I don't believe your vibration to be quote unquote too high. I've also seen it written as etheric, and I really like that that term a little better or a lot better. And on some charts, it'll say spiritual. So whatever, tomato, tomato. Anyway, so this chart, I just got this off of, I just Googled Bovis chart on Google and looked under images, and there'll be a whole bunch. Some of them are more complex, and some of them are a bit simpler. I like this one. It's really simple. And then I just ran it through my laminator because I do use it a lot. But even if you don't have a printer, you can even just draw your own on a piece of paper, and it'll work just fine. You don't have to get a bunch of fancy tools to do spiritual work. If you do want to purchase one, I have seen them for digital download on Etsy for like a couple of dollars. So that's always an option too, depending on how fancy you want to get. So you have your chart, and then you just, you're going to use your pendulum to ascertain what the level is. And for those of you that aren't familiar with working with a pendulum, make sure that you program and cleanse your pendulum before you use it when you get a new one. And then I cleanse mine before I do any reading. I will do a cleansing with this sage and Palo Santo spray. Works great. The other thing you can test with this scale is you can check out different foods. Let's say you buy, an apple from the store, and you want to see where it is vibrationally. You can just ask the pendulum, what is the Bovis value of this apple, and it will tell you. You can use it for places too. If you want to check out the vibration of a place, it will work for that. So multiple uses, really, really handy. And so yeah, you're just going to take your pendulum and you're just going to put it right there in that white dot, and it'll start to move. Let's see where I'm at. So I am in etheric still, which is good. I've worked really hard to get here. But again, it's not a contest. It's really just a tool meant to help you chart your growth and just to see where you're at. So yeah, I hope you use this. I hope you find it useful. And so like I said, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you all later.